Managing multiple GSTINs is easy with Busy. Managing different companies or branches with different GSTINs is now simpler with Busy. Along with that, e-Bill, E-Invoice and GST Reconciliation can also be managed GSTIN-wise. But this can be done only with an active BLS of Busy. Let us see its configuration in Busy. First of all, we will create a company and specify all other necessary details. After saving company details, you will be asked to create a super user. Create the super user and click Save button. After that, a feature option window appears. To manage multiple GSTINs, we will go to Enterprise Features tab and here enable the option of multi-branch details and click on branch details button. Now here we will enter branch name. Here you can enter company short name or the state in which the company is lying. For example, we are specifying here branch name as Delhi because company is based in Delhi. Enable the option of create voucher series group, create user, create MC and click save button. Now specify other details such as company name, print name, address, email ID, specify the state, and now most important, enable the option of configure GST details and click on Write GST button. Here, specify the GSTI number of Delhi branch. So, Delhi branch has been created successfully with GST registration details. In the similar manner, we will create another branch which is based in Goa. So we will enter branch name as Goa. Enable other options. Specify the company details such as company name, print name, address, and enable the option of configure GST details and click on VAT GST. Specify Goa company GSTN number. If you want to enable e-Bill and E-Invoice option in this branch, enable these options, and for automatic, click on GSP configuration and specify Webtel and Pinnacle user ID and password. Also, if you want to do GST reconciliation for this company, specify the GST portal username here. Click Save button to save this branch details. Now we'll create a third branch named as Kerala. We'll specify the company details. We'll configure GST details. Specify Kerala branch GSTI number. Enable e-Bill and E-Invoice option for this branch as well. And save this branch details. After configuring for the branch GST registration details, now we will see how we can add transaction GSTIN-wise. For this, you need to switch user and log in through the branch in which you want to enter the transaction. For that, a switch user button is given here, or you can use shortcut key Alt+U. Now, we'll log in with the branch Delhi. We'll specify the username of Delhi and password. Now, we'll add a transaction by going to transaction sales. Enter all the necessary details, and when you'll print invoice, here you can see GSTI number, branch name and address of Delhi branch is appearing. Now when we will check with the reports, any report you can view, we'll check GSTR 3B report. Here you can see Delhi branch GSTI is appearing in this report. Next, we'll switch user and log in with Goa branch. We'll enter a voucher. We will generate e-Bill and E-Invoice for this transaction. Save the voucher. We'll generate E-Invoice automatically. Here you can see e-Bill and E-Invoice. And you can see the print, e-Bill and E-Invoice. E-Invoice. Next, we'll print this invoice. Here you can see GSTIN number and company details of Goa is appearing. We'll check for GSTR 3B. Here you can see GSTIN number of Goa branch is appearing. Company name Goa. If you want to file GSTR return of Goa branch, you can click on GSTR 1A return and can directly upload or can generate JSON file, whichever is feasible. Next, we'll log in with Kerala branch. There you can see Kerala branch name, GSTIN, state is appearing. We'll enter the transaction by specifying the necessary details. When we'll print the invoice, here you can see Kerala branch GSTIN is appearing. Check for GSTR 3B. Kerala branch GSTIN is appearing. Branch name. So in this manner, you can manage multiple GSTINs and can generate E-bill E-Invoice for multiple branches. If you want to view consolidated report of every branch, then log in with the super user, and while generating report, select branch, select all and generate the report. So consolidated report of all the branches will be appearing. Here you can see Goa, Delhi, Kerala. All three transactions are appearing, but only possible by logging through the super user. So with this process, multiple GSTIN can be easily managed with Busy as compared to other software. But make sure you have an active BLS of Busy in order to manage multiple GSTINs. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.